Everybody, thanks for watching. And just a quick reminder that Stock Market Volume 2 is now available, as well as Defcon Delta. Defcon Delta is on coronavirus, of course. Both of those videos are now available, as well as books, and as well as the audio book and video book. It's available on flash drive. It will be available for download at the end of the week. If you ordered books and everything, you should have received your tracking number by now. It will be shipping soon. If you didn't receive your tracking number, you'll receive it today. So anybody waiting on books or anything like that, you'll have your tracking number today if you don't have it already. But I want to thank everybody who supported the last series. And, I've been putting in a lot of work. There's a lot of stuff coming up. Also, you'll see it's a new site to download the digital downloads, Podia. So use Podia. If anybody's having trouble with Podia, you can also go to the old site. Payloads to download the video, but Podia is a better site. It'll eliminate a lot of problems. So basically, when you do get a digital download, not all of them are up there yet, but the two new ones are there right now. But when you get it, you'll see that it gives you the option to create a login. So you'll be able to log in and go and re-download any videos that you bought already, and also see any new stuff that's coming up. So Podia is a site that's going to be integrated into Merkabah Academy when we finish updating it. So definitely want to use Podia and definitely want to get familiar with that. So also, first 500 people who buy stock market will get part 3 free. So I know a lot of people bought the first one. So first 500 people that buy it will get part 3 free. There will be a part 3. As I said, I will go through a lot more in the second one and get you guys up to date and show people who are new. Basically, I mean, it's easy to set up a portfolio and an account, and I gave you guys options on that. And we also got into some new stocks to invest in, as well as some other things. Got a lot of questions about stuff. Stock market video. If you follow me on my personal Instagram, you see me go to the bank, take out money. So basically, huge investment that I made. And I was talking about this in Stock Market 1. If you're able to purchase a lot of stock, you can really make a huge come up. As we got into in the video, this is really for people who have a lot of money. You can really take advantage of the market if you know how to buy the right stocks, and if you can forecast correctly, you know something is going to happen to where if you're investing, you can make a lot of money. So yeah, went to the bank, pulled out $100,000. Flew to California, bought a Range Rover. And, I don't stunt or whatever you call it. Not super flashy, but I like to show people that you don't have to be a rapper or celebrity or famous or what have you to do stuff like this. 100,000 is nothing when you're doing what you're supposed to do. If you're conscious, you should be getting money. That's the whole point of stock market. That is the whole point of personal economics. It's getting you guys, where you should be. As conscious people, it's no way you should be poor or struggling at all. You have to take the time and focus, and you'll get there. So, just showing you guys what's possible. And, stock market is definitely going to help you out with this, as well as personal economics. But getting into what's taking place here, we see what's happening. So, as I talked about in the video, here in Vegas, they implemented mask again. You have to wear your mask. They're talking about not, closing down anything. But as we got into in the video, you'll see they're lying about the numbers. It's just a lot of easy stuff you got to ask yourself about this whole thing. And it's almost as if they feel like they're talking to really stupid people. The way they speak is get the shot, get the vaccine. It's, make sure that you're vaccinated, wearing your mask and so on and so forth. And it's this new Delta variant that's out there. And it's like, okay, so if I get the vaccine, am I cool? And the answer is no. If you get the vaccine, you still can get it. So I don't want to say too much on here because we know how the algorithm work, but it's a lot of stuff we got to pay attention to that is right in front of your face about this whole thing. So we get into that in a DVD, as well as a lot more. So it's a lot coming up. And as I said, this stuff is not over. The curtain has not fell. It's not over. It's not over by a long shot. It's a lot more to go, and we can see what they're pushing towards. And if you're looking over in Europe, you can see what's happening over there. So we get into a lot of information. So I want to get you guys caught up on that, and also show you guys why the market is the way that it is, and how all this stuff fits together. So we can see it's connection. We got this Chinese connection. We got this connection with us. We have this connection with the stock market and coronavirus. All this stuff is going together. I talked about on my Instagram the whole thing with Simone Biles and the Olympics, and why she basically sat down and talked about that a little bit. Common sense stuff. It's right in front of our faces, what they're trying to do, and what they basically showing us. You know, China is coming, and as we got into in Defcon Delta about what that goes back to in history, as you'll see. If you understand the Bretton Woods Agreement and Nixon and what he did, then you'll understand what I'm talking about. We talk about this in the video as well. Also, it's up on Merkabah Academy for lifetime members. A lot of you also have received the download link. If you didn't get the download link today, you'll get it tomorrow, or you should be able to download it from the site. If you see the download link there, it should download from the site. So, yeah, again, Merkabah Academy update is coming. Of course, it's just so much we have to do. It's a lot going into the site. It's real tedious, considering how, Apple is anal. I mean, Apple is really, really picky. I mean, about every little teeny thing. When it comes to approving their apps, they want you to have stuff a certain way, and a lot of things that they want requires changing, the entire site. It's like almost damn near starting over again, because they don't want you, they don't want certain stuff, or they want stuff to be a certain way. Mostly geared towards anything that's going to, benefit them, or just going to go towards any type of digital sales or anything like that. So it's a lot, and we've been working on it, and my ass ain't been getting no sleep, but I'm about to. So quick video just to get you guys up to date. I have a couple more videos coming on for YouTube that we're going to get into some stuff. 2 new books are coming as well. We're going to get into that. But I wanted to make this a quick video, and thank you guys for everybody who's supporting and participating in this whole thing. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate your support and your patience on everything. And yeah, see you next video.